What's good YouTube, Zgreen TV back with another video. This week's video, I'm going to do a quick mid-fade tutorial. I've tried making this video for like, I don't know, a month or so. I don't know, I had 3 attempts, both of which didn't come out right because of the footage. The cuts all came out good except for the footage. First time I did a little design and the footage looked horrible. Second time, no design, footage still looked horrible. This time it just looks okay, so I'm gonna post it. So I'm gonna start out with a no guard close, make my first guideline. I'm gonna do one side, then go to the other side, and then just connect it in the back. Now I'm just cleaning up the top of my hair, cutting it down. Usually I do this before I make any guidelines, but I don't know, for some reason when I'm making these videos I don't be thinking. So yeah, so after I take down the bulk off the top, I'm gonna go in with my no guard open, and I'm gonna go up a whole inch. After I go up a whole inch, I'm gonna slightly close the clipper and just go below that. And I'm gonna gradually close it, hitting below the last part I hit every time. Now I'm gonna go in with my one guard close, and I'm gonna go up another inch. After that, I'm gonna go in with my 1/16 guard, and I'm just gonna clean up any areas that looks like it needs to be cleaned up. This is gonna be a fairly simple fade because the hair on top is so low. There's not much fading to do. And then right here, I'm just gonna hit the line up with a straight razor, boom, boom. I'm gonna clean up the back of my neck and just ball it out with the straight razor. And then this is what it looks like at the end. This is what it looked like last week. And that's it for this week's video. Fairly simple. Bye.